Hello mga motorista, welcome na sa isang Hello mga motorista, welcome na naman sa Hello mga motorista, Adrian here, and today's video pag-uusapan natin yung ating 10-year-old na pickup truck, ang ating Ford Ranger Wildtrak 4x2. No, so it's been 10 years with us. Nabili natin to brand new noon, way back in 2015, or at least my parents did. So today i-share ko sa inyo yung mga ginawa na dito sa kotse, mga pinagdaanan namin dito sa Ford Ranger, and at the end of the video, would I still recommend the 2.2 version of the Ford Ranger, or the previous generation of the I think this is called the T7 Ranger. So simulan natin mga motorista, no? When we bought this brand new, when it comes to performance talaga, napakaganda yung Ford. Totoo nga naman, kung dadalhin mo to sa highway, napaka-smooth ng makina, ang bilis umarangkada. Kahit 2.2 lang to, hindi ito yung flagship na engine na 3.2 liter. Talagang may power siya mga motorista, no? Hindi siya sluggish i-drive. Sobrang gaan, refined yung makina niya. By the way, yung engine to is the 2.2 Puma engine. Again, this has way more power than the previous Puma engine that was launched, no? So we have 160 PS under the hood, and torque is around 400 Newton meters, no? Or 385 dito sa ating sa Ranger. Suspension, wala akong masabi. For a pickup truck, maganda yung suspension niya, hindi maganon katagtag, and I think pioneered the refinement when it comes to the suspension and how a pickup truck should should ride. And also mga motorista, yung steering din ito, noon hindi pa uso sa mga pickup trucks na magkaroon ng electric power steering. So when this came out, ito yung first EPS na Ford Ranger, and I really appreciated the steering wheel kasi sobrang gaan niyang iliko, and yung rack niya na mga motorista, mas responsive siya kesa if I compare it to my CRV. So when you turn in dito sa pickup truck natin mga motorista, talaga namang susunod talaga siya, no? Parang medyo sports car vibes, no, if I may say that, yung kanyang steering.